Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm setting up in my Ivory paper co all-in-one undated planner for the week of September the 28th through October the 4th. And I'm using this memory keeping dates and holidays sticker book to date my planner. And I'm deciding to use this smaller font style for the months so that I can put both September and October on this spread. And then I'm using this Is Us weekly kit from Paper House featuring designs by Jamison Reid. And I'm also going to use this marble washing tape. It's like white background with the gold foil creating the marble, as well as I have a wine color washi tape from Simply Gilded that has gold foil star confettis on it. That's really pretty, and I believe both will complement this sticker book well. And so I'm going to start off by whiting out the habit tracker that is on the left side of this spread. Because this is my social media planner, I don't use that type of habit tracker, or I don't use a habit tracker at all. I'm for sure I could find a way to use one, but I don't use one for this particular planner. So I whited out the habit portion so that it doesn't possibly show through the sticker. And I decided to use some of my colorful box sticker books. I put down the gold foil. Again, I feel that because there's a lot of gold foil in here, that it will complement the sticker book. And I love this doll. She's so cute with her booties on, her cute purse, and her coffee. And then I went to the Shape colorful sticker book, Shape sticker book, and I pulled out that black circle. It's a smaller one to put the girl boss on top, because that also has gold foil on it, and I didn't want it to just blend into the gold foil box. And so I felt like the black circle would give it a little bit of pop. And then I put that floral chair, some stack of books with a mug, because that sort of reminds me of how you would go like to Starbucks or to a coffee house, and you would sit in a chair and you have books and all of that, and just sit there drinking your coffee and thinking about your game plan for the week, for the month, for the year, etc., etc., etc. So, and then I started by putting down the marble washing tape on the top row there. I was still trying to figure out how I wanted to do this, because I was trying to figure out if I wanted to play around with the washi tape or if I just wanted to do a basic washi tape spread. I love washi tape, but I know that I need a lot of growth with my washi tape, so I'm still working on that. So it's easier for me just to lay down the washi tape and then add all the other elements to it. So I probably will wind up doing that. I will wind up doing that for this spread. And so for my first sticker, I put down a colorful box, and I decided to use the black border for the colorful box to give it a little bit more pop and dimension, just so that the spread isn't so heavy with gold foil. And then I layered it behind the She's Got That Girl Boss Hustle sticker, which I thought was really cute and appropriate for Monday, because you just want to really jump into the week strong. And so I like that. And then I decided to go ahead and put down the additional washing tape, the marble washing tape at the bottom. And then I decided to outline the middle row, top and bottom, with the wine color washi tape from Simply Gilded. And now I'm going to go ahead and put down another full box sticker. And I thought this floral print was really pretty. It's the floral print that is in the chair as well. And I just thought that was so cute. So I decided to put that with a gold foil box to give it a little bit of pop. And I wind up putting down the washi tape a little bit crooked. I didn't realize that. And so I was able to go ahead and remove that and just put back a fresh strip, because when I was trying to pull it up, it was starting to crinkle. So I was like, forget it. I'll just put a whole new strip in. And then I decided to go ahead and put the full box sticker with the colorful box sticker in the middle of the days, just to sort of give it a different feel from what I normally do. I'm really trying to work on my layering skills a little bit more, and just trying not to always put everything in a box. So in the planner. So just trying to do things a little bit different. And there is I don't know if you guys are familiar with the North Carolinas, but we have a shop here called Amelie's French Bakery, and it was one of the first things that I heard about upon arrival. And so I love that chair, because it sort of reminds me of that shabby chic effect, and it instantly reminds me of Amelie's French Bakery and coffee shop. And they have some of the best like pastries, and you just feel like fancy, but all at the same time you're surrounded by books and old furniture, mixed match stuff, and it's just so cool. So I really was vibing off of these stickers because it took me to that kind of place. And then down in the lower left hand corner, I used this, it looks like a frame, a picture frame or cork board kind of sticker, and I put the black colorful box behind that, and that way I could write in this particular one. So I probably put like a quote or a word of affirmation in this box, and I'll write that in there later. And I went ahead and carried out the washi tape to the right hand side, and now I'm again layering with the boxes again. And so the top row on the right hand side, I went ahead and used the black colorful box behind this full box sticker with all of these glass frames, different type of shapes of glass frames, even the cat eye glass frames. Yeah, that used to be very popular, so I thought that was cool, and I wear glasses, so I love that box sticker there. And then I put the quote sticker, "Love your fabulous self," down at the bottom behind, with a gold foil box behind the sticker itself. And so on the far right hand side, I decided to go ahead and cover up the word notes with another gold foil sticker box. And I put down the other doll that's featured in this collection there. And so I like that you got two dolls, full-size dolls on each side of the spread. And I put some decorative elements such as a phone, a planner, and a pen, and and I actually love these decorative elements, so I wanted to make for sure that I put those down. And so I decided to go ahead and cover up the word goal underneath the month of September and October. And I put down a floral sticker, and I layered on top of that this planner sticker with the pen and a coffee mug. And I thought that was really cute. And so I decided to go ahead and cover up next week on the far right hand side with a box sticker, and I put the glasses on top of that box sticker. And I was trying to debate what I wanted to put in here, because I do like having the word next week on the spread, because that gives me something to think about like what is my game plan for the following week, or what are some of the things that I need to be mindful for the following week. And so I know I wanted to either write it down or put another sticker there that says next week. But for now, I went ahead and I decided to put down additional element stickers. And so I really like how this is coming out. Going back over to Wednesday with the Florabot sticker, I put she's building her empire. I absolutely love that. And so I put another doll sticker, but it's half body along with that. Then there were like the keychain or the lobster clasp with all the heart-shaped elements, and it has the word boss in there. And I put that on Thursday with the keyboard and a cup of coffee and a pen holder for the weekend area. So I like that. And I just added a couple of pieces of florals around the spread. And then there's this really cute decorative sticker that I put at the lower right hand corner. It's the booties that they have on, and it has like a bunch of flowers in there. I just thought that was really cute. And so here is the left hand side of my spread. I really enjoyed this spread, and here's the right hand side. I'm so excited to write my plans in here and be the girl boss that I am and that I aspire to be. So I hope you enjoyed this plan with me, decorate with me spread. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and until the next time, bye bye.